Natural and herbal remedies for eczema relief. Living with eczema can be challenging, but did you know there are natural ways to manage it? In today's video, we'll explore at-home remedies, herbal remedies, and other tips for healing eczema naturally. Let's uncover how you can soothe your skin using nature's best solutions. What is eczema and what causes it? Eczema is a chronic skin condition that causes redness, itching, and inflammation. While the exact cause varies, it's often triggered by genetics, allergies, or environmental factors. While conventional treatments exist, many people turn to natural remedies for relief and long-term care. Like aloe vera gel, for soothing inflammation. Aloe vera is a miracle plant for skincare. Its anti-inflammatory and moisturizing properties make it an excellent natural eczema treatment. Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to affected areas for immediate cooling and hydration. Use it twice daily for best results. Then there is oatmeal baths for itch relief. An oatmeal bath is one of the most effective eczema treatment home remedies. Oatmeal helps to calm irritation, reduce redness, and restore the skin's natural barrier. Simply grind a cup of oats into a fine powder, add it to warm bath water, and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. Making your own herbal eczema salve at home is easy, and it can work wonders. Combine healing herbs like chamomile and calendula with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil or olive oil, to create a nourishing salve. Apply it to dry, itchy patches to soothe and protect your skin naturally. Use coconut oil for moisturizing. Coconut oil is a popular choice for healing eczema naturally. Its antimicrobial and moisturizing properties help protect and repair the skin. Use organic, cold-pressed coconut oil as a daily moisturizer to keep eczema-prone skin hydrated and healthy. Reduce inflammation with tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is another powerful herbal remedy for eczema. Its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties can reduce itching and prevent infection. Always dilute tea tree oil with a carrier oil like almond or jojoba oil to avoid irritation. It is important to know that these natural eczema treatments work best when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Stay hydrated, eat an anti-inflammatory diet rich in omega-3s and leafy greens, and manage stress through practices like meditation or yoga. These steps can support your skin's healing process. Eczema doesn't have to control your life. By using these at-home remedies for eczema, you can soothe your skin and feel more comfortable in your own body. Remember, consistency is key, and small changes can make a big difference. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health remedies. This video is for informational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before trying new treatments, especially if you have severe eczema or other health conditions.